uh, you've been in the creative industry. Creative industry is the future world over. That's where all the energies should go. And I'm glad it's the youths who are leading it. And good job in Sana. I can't wait to work with you. So the original idea was a Meru Festival, together with Mr. Moria here. So I asked him, so what is this we can do and bring all Merus, wale wako diaspora, wale wako huku together, one big celebration. And I saw what you guys did with Betika. That was amazing. And I saw that it was football, and the passion was there. And every time I come to Meru, I see so much talent. But now the notion out there, kiuliza watu, Wameru wanakuwaga serious. Wameru ni watu serious, hawacheki. Music, wauliza wanajua tu wawili, wanajua Kamano na Sizu. Inaishi hapo. But I think we need to change that narrative. I need you to know, apart from Jesse and Jasper Morume and Vaite, and DJ John Falme, who's a Meru, and Pierre McKenna. There's a lot of talent with Meru people, and that's what we want to showcase. So we had thought initially, Your Excellency, to call it a Meru Festival. But as we continued working on the concept, we were like, apana, ukieka Meru, itatushika mali. So what is this that we can work together with your great county to say Mwaki, the Mwaki Festival? It's like you...
building together. Ama ni moto.
Is fire. So Mwanki. So whatever we're going to launch on that day, Your Excellency, is not just a big event where we'll showcase music, culture, and food and clothing with your help, the entire creative industry. How do we involve everyone? Then from there we can say, apart from just a big show in Kinoru, tunasema, His Excellency amesema, now, because we have a creative industry, tuko na Mwaki comedy, Mwaki theater, Mwaki way after the show is over. So that becomes a springboard of other things that will be happening. And so with the support of the county and His Excellency, I'm sure now that's something, hata kama siko, inaendelea. And I think that would be my joy. I think as you become a grandfather, the best thing you leave is a legacy. You need to leave those legacies. Ndio hata nyinyi mkuje mseme, si ndio ulifanya Mwaki ya kwanza comedy?
I came to receive you and make you feel that now government appreciate this step, this move, and that we are in it together to support the creative industry and the talents that are in Meru. Because I know this is a serious, it's a big industry. The government doesn't have opportunities to employ young people. But the creative industry is an inexhaustible resource. We can't exhaust. It's so huge, it's inside you, and it can open doors for us. And we need this space, Mwalimu King'ang'i. We need first identification of the talents, and then grooming those talents, and then exposing those talents to the world, so that our young people can get, can benefit from the God-given, resource that is deposited within us. And you've been there in this space for the longest, and now that Grandpa, who has groomed many people across the world, I think Meru will be the one to get the best out of you, because Grandpa kwanza wanaangalia maneno, wanapanga pole pole, hawana haraka. When you are young men, kuna wale huku wana patience. Ukiona mtu analeta upuzi kwa auditioning, unafukuza haraka haraka. But Grandpa wako na patience ya kungojea, sababu wameona mengi. So tunataka uwe na patient na sisi, especially kwa creative industry. You mentor our young people, and in future, just like you've said, uwe na legacy ya ku open Meru to the world in this space of creative industry.